Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain definitions and elements of information security. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. First definition is hack value. Okay, this term describes target that may attract an above average level of attention to an attacker. Okay, so presumably because this target is attractive, it has more value to an attacker because of what it may contain. Okay, so this is the definition of hack value. Next is target of evaluation, TOE. Target of evaluation is system or resource that is being evaluated for vulnerabilities. Okay, so target of evaluation will be specified in contract with the client. Okay, next is attack. This is act of targeting and actively engaging target of evaluation. Okay, next is exploit. This is clearly defined way to breach the security of system. Okay, and next zero day. This describes threats or vulnerability. This is unknown to developers and has not been addressed. Okay, it considers serious problem in many cases. Okay, next is security. This is describe a state of well-being in environment where only action that are defined are allowed. Okay, next is threat. This is considered to be potential violation of security. Okay, next vulnerability. This is weakness is in the system that can be attacked and use entry point into an environment. Okay, and last definition is daisy chaining. This is the act of performing several hacking attacks in sequence with each building on or acting on the result of the previous action. Okay, so these are definitions. Next is elements principle of information security. Okay, information security is defined as state of well-being of information and infrastructure in which possibility of theft, tampering and disruption of information and services kept low or tolerable. Okay, so it relies on the five major of elements of confidentiality, integrity, availability, authenticity and non-reputation. Okay, so first is confidentiality. Confidentiality is the assurance that information is accessible only those authorized to have access. Okay, confidentiality breaches may occur due to improper data handling or hacking attempt. Okay, so this is the confidentiality. Next is integrity. Integrity is the trustworthiness of data or resource in terms of preventing improper and unauthorized changes, the assurance that information can be relied upon to be sufficiently accurate for its purpose. Okay, so this is the integrity. Next is availability. Availability is the assurance that has system responsible for delivering, storing and processing information are accessible when required by authorized user. Okay, so this is the availability. Next is fourth element, authenticity. Authenticity refer to characteristic of communications, document or any data that ensure quality of being genuine or not corrupted from the original. Okay, the major roles of authentication include confirming that user is who she or he claims to be, ensuring the message is authentic and non-alter or forget. Okay, so biometrics, smart cards and digital certificate are used to ensure authenticity of data, transaction, communication or documents. Okay, next is last element, non-repetition. Non-repetition refers to ability to ensure that a party to contract or communication cannot deny the authenticity of their signatures on document or the sending of message that they originated. Okay, It is way to guarantee that the sender of message cannot later deny having sent the messages, and that the recipient cannot deny having the received the message. Okay, so this is the 5 elements of information security. Thank you for watching.